Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today we're going to talk about something very common. This is a doorbell. Now before I go to dismantling one which is just with me here, I'm going to define what a doorbell is. If you don't know, of course you know it, but if you don't, then let me define it. A doorbell is a signal that a visitor is right at your door. You have a visitor. Okay? How does that happen? Most doorbells have a small button that rings a bell inside the house when it's pushed. So your doorbell might emit some kind of a chiming ring or even playing some music, or it may even make a harsh buzzing sound. So that's it. That's what the doorbell does. Now before we can maybe this is the last bit, I want to show you this kind of doorbell, and I don't know how it operates. Actually it's written musical door bell. It's written rock enroll. The company is Barras, and from the look of things outrightly you can tell that this thing must be dual. Looks like it's dual because here it's using cells. You can see the positive and negative. It's using two cells, positive and negative. I don't know what kind of cell it uses. Maybe, let me see. I guess I have some cell somewhere here. Using a big cell. Sorry, I cannot. It's just bigger than this. This one cannot fit. This is a small one. Sorry guys. Anyway, I don't have the cell, but pencil cell, big cell, and this I think is something that connects to maybe power. Not sure. Yeah, for sure it should be. And we're gonna open this and see what is inside. How does it work? Melody 16 tune is written. How does it work? So let's open it and you see. I can't open it in front of, so I have to open it like this. Yeah, I've taken out one screw. I think maybe it's in working condition, although I bought it second hand, but should be in a working condition. This one is closely tight. I think. Why it's not coming up? Let me try this one. Not coming off. The orientation problem. It's rust. Yeah, successful. I've taken out this one also. Now let me go for these ones. This. I'm trying to open this thing. This has failed. Let me use this one. How about double screws here? screwdriver, pechkas they call this one is a pechkas. Not successful either. I don't know why it's not coming out. Kind of struggle, no? Yeah, finally. Actually, they didn't even come out. They're still stuck there. Oh, these two. These two screw. You're seeing my hand. I've taken this one. I've taken out this one. Now, I'm gonna open it. Yeah, here it is. From the onset, you can tell what is there. That's a speaker up there, and this thing here is where the batteries go, and that's anode and cathode, positive and negative here. That's it, nothing is there, soldered here from, and if I turn it this way, you'll see soldered against what? Against this thing. How do I point it? Soldered against this. Here's the spring, negative, positive. So the soldering is here. Here's a soldered here, which means the current is being transferred here. Actually, we look carefully, and there is something like a metal over there inside. I have to handle, electronics are delicate, I have to handle it carefully. You see, this is a metal. This is a metal. And I think these wires, they connect to this metal. Yeah. You see it? They connect to this metal, these red wires, they connect here so that the current can flow into from the batteries here, and you trace these wires, they go to where you are seeing a polythene here. I don't know whether this was there or somebody opened and put it there, because the second hand anything is possible. Somebody may have messed up with it. I'm not even sure whether it's working. Let me remove the polythene. Okay, I have stripped off the polythene, so you can see this is some kind of motherboard with the circuit board. Yeah, circuit board. And now this thing is, I don't know whether you can see it, that one. I don't want to take it off. You can see everything clearly. Let's turn it this way or this way. Now you can see this is it looks like this is a resistor. There are two resistors there, and this looks like a liquid capacitor. I'm not very sure about it. And that looks like capacitors. And I'm surprised. I mean, there's not much in this thing. It is all that there is. And these wires, they're soldered here. If you look back, maybe let me use a lens. Yeah, there are just capacitors and resistors here, and some seem not to be there actually. Like I can see there, here something might have gone out here, so this thing may not be in a working condition. Not quite sure about that. And back here you can see the traces where current flows, where the soldering has been done. You can't see anything much there. You see the red wire which is soldered here, and this wire goes to the battery, which means it's transferring power here. So this might be maybe positive or negative. Let me see. Maybe negative, you can't tell from here. Actually there are two of them. I didn't see this. You see here, there is one metal here. Let me turn it this way. There is one metal here, another metal there. There are two of them. They will need to help for me to put the lens. You can see there's that metal. There's another metal there. There are two of them. Yeah, there are two metals there, if you can see, which connects to positive and negative. Here, let me point with my this thing. You see here, there is a metal here. There is another metal here, and if you see carefully, this one connects to the negative, and this is the positive, and the same thing must be on the other side also. Yeah, exactly. The other side also has positive and negative. This is let me see here. This is negative. Can you see it? Can you see the metals there? I'm trying to make the camera focus. Orientation is a problem here. It's like yeah, there, here, and there. So here is anode cathode, positive and negative. This is negative, that is positive on both sides. So that's how, if you follow, you trace this down to this board. This board is very difficult to really into this board. You can see the two wires which connects to positive and negative here, from what I've shown you, and they are soldered here at the back. And if you look at the motherboard, I don't know whether you can see this. Let me just do like this. Can you turn it this way? Can you see the traces? Let me see whether this will show you clearly. You see the stuff there, shouldered. You see the traces where the current flows. Yeah. And I wonder what the black stuff is there in the center. And you can see the two wires that I suppose goes to the AC. This one from here, and this one goes to the batteries. I'm not sure about the AC, but I think this goes to the AC. This is a dual thing, and then this is a speaker. The speaker, you can see it clearly. You don't need the lens. It's a speaker, and the wires, one has already come out. It's very easily. One has just come out. The way I'm twisting it around, this one has come out. But the speaker orientation is not important. Well, we are not going to play it anyway, so it's okay. And down here, just shoulder to the speaker. Nothing else is you shoulder to this speaker. So I don't know what is the mechanism of this, because I don't see something like a chip here which control the input. Is like direct from AC or battery to the speaker. There's nothing like digital here. Any type of conversion taking place, but I don't know what is the black spot here. maybe it's for this thing which I suppose are capacitors. These ones which I think are capacitors and the resistors as well. Yeah, and the rest of this is a plastic. The rest of it is a plastic which houses this thing. That's it. Unless something came out, this is the entire thing. And you can make one thing like this. It's so simple. The structure and everything, internal architecture is so simple. You can make actually one like this yourself. So, and this is where the case for the battery. So having done that, I'm not gonna, I'll put it back later. So what are three basic types of doorbells? We have wired, wireless, and smart doorbells. So what's the use? You know what the use is. Where you can find them, you can find them in Amazon. I'm not promoting Amazon, but I'm telling you, you're gonna not go to the bazaar, to the market. You can order them online from the Amazon. And what are the popular products? They're like GM 400, 4800, STR is Trio. It's called stereophonic, and it costs 180 in Indian rupees, but if you change it out to dollars, it will be about $2. And we have another one called GM. There are all GMs and GMs. I think it's the same company which has made this, and they are selling them different prices. We have a GM also 4008 wired door chime, chime, also from Amazon. It costs no, this is not from Flipkart, 180, same cost, the difference of 9 rupees, and maybe in dollars also $2. I'm saying dollars because dollars is international currency, so somebody not living in India, maybe somewhere else, would calculate in their local currencies and see how much that is. Also GM 4005 Alpha, ding dong bell, ding dong bell, ding dong bell. That's when I was in primary, in small kindergarten, I think. You are ding dong bell, ding dong bell. I think everyone is familiar with that. So that one is costing 199 rupees, almost $3. Not really, but not $3, also $2 point something. It's found in I don't know whether this is a company, bigbasket.co, that's .co, and 3+ stores where it's found. It's called Ding Dong Bell Alpha, GM 4005 Alpha Ding Dong Bell. And we have also GM Modular G Magic Vibro, means maybe it vibrates, and it's 269 rupees, I think, I guess in rupees, and in dollars I don't know how much that will be. You can convert elcoso.com. This is where you can find these products, ELECZO.com. That's a company's name. There are many, there are actually quite a range of them, and what I'm surprised, all of them is for GM. I don't know, maybe GM stands for something else. GM Wave Doorbell. Oh, this is really expensive, 949 rupees RS, so convert it around for, it's quite some money, right? It's quite some money here. That's $6-7. IBO Wholesale, that's a company's name, on 3+ stores. And we have GM 4000 2004 radius doorbell, 16 AM, 170 RS, as means I don't want to repeat this over and over. That's rupees. That's $2. Amazon.in, and we have, there are many, but these are the ones that I've listed. There are quite many. Electronic doorbell. This is quite different. Electronic. This is the first one I'm seeing here. 2MDG. This is something like gloss. MD gloss. 360. That means $3. Shining bulb, with a shining bulb, and etc. So you see how many there are, and they are quite available and very inexpensive. You can afford them. Yeah. So this is all about the bell, the ding dong bell. Ding dong bell. Somebody's at your doorstep wants to meet you. You have a visitor to your doorstep. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share and comment. See you again later in another one. Bye for now.